So you just take the drawstring and you pull it like this, as tight as you need it to be. So just do this here and instantly it lays the lace down flat in the front. And don't forget to take the stopper and slide it up so that it won't move out of place, and then just tuck your string in the back. Today's style comes from Nadula Hair. This wig is their 7x5 bye-bye knot Brazilian hair, and this is their balayage body wave wig. As you can see, it comes pre-cut, and it comes also with a beautiful hairline that you don't have to do much to, and the knots are super small. This wig also comes pre-curled, so you don't need to curl it out the box. You can get an instant style, and as you can see, that lace looks really good. The cap construction is a 7x5, but they also have an option for you to get it in a 13x4 if you would like. So it has the drawstring in the back, which gives you the option to tighten it as much as you need just by doing this here and shrinking the cap to fit your head, or you can unloosen it. So basically you would just pull the strap, and then you would take this stopper and bring it down to make sure that this piece does not loosen while you are wearing the wig. Once you put your wig on, you just slide it where it needs to go, and instantly the fit is beautiful. You can see right here around the ear, it automatically lays. They have cut out that part so it can fit perfectly on each side. And then all I would do, so you just take the drawstring and you pull it like this, as tight as you need it to be. So just do this here and instantly it lays the lace down flat in the front. And don't forget to take the stopper and slide it up so that it won't move out of place, and then just tuck your string in the back. So what I'm going to do is just straighten it out a little bit and show you guys how to wear it without even having to curl it. I'm going to hit it with the wax stick right at the front hairline. The parting is very deep, so you can part it all the way back here, you can part it wherever you want, but for the most part, if you can also switch it up and do a side part all the way to over here, and then you'll get stopped right here just because that's where the wefts are. But for the most part, it doesn't interfere too much with the realisticness of the wig because you can cover it with the hair and it won't be seen. The convenience of the 7x5 wig, so beginners who don't know how to do the full install have an option where you can just set it on your head like I just did and go. All you will have to do is just make sure your hair underneath is flat. As you can see, we are completely glueless. I love that the drawstring helps the wig to fit conveniently. As you can see, there is no glue here. No sprays, no anything, and the lace. Did I get this? I'll just shift this a little bit, make sure my parting is right. But as you can see, it looks really good. The lace melts beautifully. And as for styling, I'm just going to spray with some hairspray just to lay down flyaways, smooth it down. Take my hot comb and just get out any kinks at the top so I can make sure everything lays flat. And just like I told you guys in my previous video, you don't have to wash this wig straight out the box if it's a pre-everything wig, but I do recommend after wearing it for a week to go ahead and put that conditioner, wash that hair really good, because the hair still has been, you know, colored or processed. I will put the length and density and everything in the description box for you guys, so be sure to check down there as far as for the links. Now for the hair itself, you want to always take a bit of oil, a really good quality one, and add a little bit through the hair if you're not planning on washing it straight out the box. That will help to defrizz. Also give it just a little bit of slip so that the hair won't get dried out and tangled. So just add it to the ends, especially just a little tiny bit. You don't need a lot. And then you can just take your brush and brush through. This will help to fluff out the curls, as you can see. And oil also helps to shape the curls. So you just, when you twirl it, you can get the curls to lock in. You can see, still glueless. No glue is added there, and it's still secure. I can shake it out like this. I'm just gonna touch up the front pieces right here. That way it can flow, cause yeah, that's all I have to do to touch that up. Out the box, I don't feel like I need to do any extra curling to the hair. It'll restyle it if you want to, but for me, I think this is gorgeous right out the box. As you can see, you can put heat on it. I curled the front pieces up to 450, and like I said, we are still glueless. This is gorgeous. This is how long it stops on me, and this is what the color looks like close up. Very pretty, very, very pretty. It's nothing like a wig with a little bit of color. You can also style it if you. I would recommend just making sure to bring down some hair here on the sides so that area won't show. Take your claw clip. As you can see, you can pull it up and you just pull a little bit of the hair down on the sides, and it should definitely cover the drawstring. You don't need no glue. You don't need to do anything because the wig is super secure with just the drawstring by it. I will be sure to put this wig below in the description box. Be sure to check down there. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video, and I'll see you back in my next video.